know he is, yes. And also Nick's the only one that particularly wants to time that, but Nick really does want to do that for him. Just have this conversation with him. Well, that was my thoughts on it as well. But to be honest, according to EAL procedures, he is right. It does say on the bottom of the IQM form where there's actions, there is a box that says link them to assessor actions improvement document. I think it's called, and so that's what Nick's doing. But there's that one's in there now as well. There's nowhere on it for an assessor to sign or anything. But could you initial it? Because that's the only document we've got which says it's okay to claim this qualification. Either that, we haven't got a CAF. It's on the spreadsheet, and now, if I'm absolutely honest with you, it's got one right on the spreadsheet. It has got a mix tick in the box which says okay to claim. It has put into the claimed it. So we have got the fact it's claimed. We've got nothing that says